Concept map. Change can be physical or chemical. Physical changes are temporary, whereas chemical changes are permanent. Chemical changes are accompanied by chemical reactions leading to chemical process. Chemical reactions are represented by chemical equations. Chemical reactions are of various types. Combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. Chemical process involves oxidation, that is, gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen, or reduction, that is, gain of hydrogen or
reactivity towards carbonates and bicarbonates of metals, metallic oxides and non-metallic oxides.
Acids react with metal carbonates to form the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water.
Sodium carbonate, that is washing soda,
react with hydrochloric acid, giving sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide.
Sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, also reacts with hydrochloric acid to give its salt, sodium chloride and water with the liberation of carbon dioxide.
Evolution of carbon dioxide can be tested by passing it through lime water, which turns milky. Reactivity of acids with metallic oxides. As metallic oxides are basic in nature, they react with acid to form salt and water. Here, copper oxide, a metallic oxide, reacts with hydrochloric acid to give a salt of copper chloride and water. As metallic oxides are basic in nature, they do not react with bases. Reactivity of bases with non-metallic oxides. Metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic. Hence, these react together to form salt and water. For example, calcium hydroxide, which is a basic or metallic oxide, reacts with carbon dioxide, an acidic non-metallic oxide, giving salt and water. Reactivity of acid and base with each other. Acids react with base to form salt and water. This reaction is termed as neutralization reaction. Effect of the acid is neutralized by the base and vice versa. This neutralization is indicated by indicators such as phenolphthalein. Ionization of acids and base in an aqueous medium. Acids and bases ionize, that is, dissociate into ions in an aqueous medium. Acids generate H+, that is, hydrogen ions, which combine with water and form hydronium ion H3O+. Bases generate OH-, that is, hydroxyl ions. Thus, the representation for neutralization reaction can be given as the hydrogen ions of acids react with hydroxyl ions of bases, forming water, and the anions of acid react with the cations of bases, forming salt. The salts formed by the neutralization of an acid by base can be classified into 3 types, depending upon the type of acid and base. Acidic salts are made from strong acid and weak base, and the resulting solution has pH value less than 7. Basic salts are made from weak acid and strong base, and the resulting solution has pH value more than 7. Neutral salts are made from strong acid and strong base, and the resulting solution has pH value equal to 7. Common salt NaCl. Sodium chloride NaCl is the salt of strong base NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, and strong acid HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Impure sodium chloride is brown in color, called rock salt, while purified form is colorless, crystalline ionic compound. NaCl heated at high temperature converts into molten state called fused state, which conducts electricity. When fused sodium chloride is electrolyzed, chlorine gas is liberated at anode and sodium is deposited at cathode. When electricity is passed through 10% aqueous solution of sodium chloride, known as brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Chlorine gas is liberated at anode and hydrogen gas at cathode, respectively. Sodium chloride is a fundamental ionic compound used in preparation of other salts such as sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, etc.